Ooh. Big Back Chronicles. Oh, my mouth of water. I'm put something on my lips then. Because the way my mouth of water. Hi guys, and welcome back to another day of Kimvember. So today, for today's Kimvember, we're going to be doing a seafood boil mukbang. I ordered some seafood from a place in Jamaica. It's called Tay's Seafood and Catering. So I ordered their mega bowl or whatever I want to name. And I'm really excited to dig in. My mouth actually a water. Alright, so this shrimp, this boil, it didn't come with any noodles, so I just added some noodles, my favorite noodles, in there. So I'm just really excited. I have crayfish, shrimp, blue crab, eggs, potatoes, and corn, and I'm out of water. So I have a bottle of water here, I have napkins here, and I also have wipes. So what I want to do is kind of put down some napkin so that I can, you know, catch the trash, because I don't want the place to be seafoody. So I'm gonna put it here. But yeah, it's time for the reveal. Ooh, juicy. Nice. Hope you guys can see it. Come out of water. Alright, so let's get into it. This is gonna be like an authentic Jamaican seafood boil. Ooh. Get some sauce on this. Alright, let's dig into the corn. Not the corn, the egg. I'm gonna finish this today. Spicy, so I think I'm gonna get some pepper sauce and put on it. Because I like my food spicy. Egg. This is a stoush way to do a seafood boil. So I'll start using my onion. Alright, now it's a fork. I'm showing the crab. Wait, let me get the corn first and I'm showing the crab. Let's get in some of the sauce. Yep. potato. These are the potatoes. Sauce. A bit. Mom want one in there. Stushas. Alright, I could do a crab. What is this? Oh, it's a crab. Are you then? Since you want to hide. Enough manage a crab here. I don't know if I manage a crab here. I'm enjoying myself. Happy birthday to me. Let's see. I think I'm gonna wrap this up, man, because I am full. And full. I've been at this for half an hour. I thought I could finish it tonight. I'm not gonna be able to finish it. No gluttony around here. Guys, I enjoyed my meal. I loved everything that I sampled and I could get to eat, but this is where I have to draw the line. I am so full. I could not finish this big tray of food in one go. I've been eating for more than half an hour. No. I'm tired. I want to sleep. This is how much food I have left, so I'm gonna heat it up tomorrow and, you know, have it for a little like lunch. I really wanted to tackle this big king crab looking thing. I don't have energy for that right now. I'm tired, so this is where I draw the line. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching me eat a while ago, and thank you for watching another Kimvember video, and I hope you stay tuned for another one, because I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.